Hello guys, welcome to SonarQube installation session. So in this session I have created a complete document in as you see a notepad file. In this file I have uh, pasted all the commands here and will use one by one commands from here. So and on the right side you are seeing EC2 machine I have created on AWS. So it is Red Hat 8 version. So let me start with the first command sudo yum update y. So it's installing all the updated packages on the Red Hat machine. So second command is wget and unzip. We need both these package. So it's already both packages are already installed on my machine. And the next command is we need java 8. So let me install it. I think it's already installed on my system, so all the dependency already installed on my system. As you see, in your case it might be installed. Next command is we have to install PostgreSQL database. So it is version 10 we need to install here. You can install also version 9. So in my case I am installing version 10. It's already installed on my system as you can seeing. Let me clear the screen. Now we have to start the PostgreSQL. In my case it's already started, so I am restarting it. Let me show you. So now we can check the status of PostgreSQL. Yeah, as you see it's in a running mode. You can check. Now you can check. Now you can run as a postgres sudo user. So as you seeing I'm logged in with postgres user. Now create a user sonar. The sonar user is already exist, you are seeing. Yeah, so in my case it's already created. So now we have to enter PostgreSQL terminal. So we have entered. Now we have to create sonar user with encrypted password sonar. Yeah, it's successfully created. Now we have to create a database with the name of SonarQube. The database has been already created as you seeing the message, but in your case it will be created. It will be show other output. The next command is we have to grant all the privileges on database. And let me show you this command again. Yeah, it's already exist, you can see. Now the next command is create database. You can check, enter. Database is already exist as you seeing. So the next command is grant all privileges to the sonar user of the SonarQube database. Enter. Yeah, it's granted, you can check. Now we have to quit from the PostgreSQL section. Exit from the PostgreSQL user. Now we have to open this file. We have to edit one more thing in this file. Yeah, scroll down at the end of the file, you have to come. Yeah, here you can see I have created a second line. You can see local all sonar and method equal to md5. So as you seeing, so I have edited this line here, and in your case the first line will be there, but I have added second line, and you have to add md5 for IPv4 and IPv6. So now you have to save this file and exit from this file. Now you have to go to the directory or opt. In this directory we will install SonarQube. So first you have to download this zip file. Yeah, it's downloading, it will take some time. Yeah, it's downloaded successfully. Let me clear the screen. As you seeing, I have downloaded 7.0 version here, as you seeing. So let's unzip this file. Yeah, we have to use sudo before unzip. Yeah, it's unzipped successfully. Now you have to move now basically you have to rename this folder 7.0. so in my case I have already renamed this folder, but you have to run this command in your case. So I have created SonarQube folder already here. So let me add sonar user to the group. Yeah, already exists. So sonar group is already created, as you seeing the message. So let me give the permission of the SonarQube directory to the sonar user. Let me show you once more time. In my case I have already given the permission to the sonar user, but in your case you have to give the permission to the sonar user to SonarQube directories using this command. But I'm running this command for you. Let me show you. Yeah, so and the next command is we have to modify the sonar.sh file. Let me go to this directory /bin/linux64. Now you are seeing sonar.sh file. In this file basically you have to change one more configuration. There is a attribute run as user, so run underscore as underscore should be sonar. So as you seeing, I have selected this line. As you seeing, you have to put here sonar. Basically this is user username. So let me edit this file. Let me create this file. Basically in this file we have to add these lines, below lines, as you I have selected in notepad. So this line you have to add it here. In your case the file will be empty, but in my case the file is already created by me. So you have to basically create this file, save this file and exit from the file, and now run this command system daemon reload. I think I have to use sudo in this case. Yeah, it's run successfully. Now you have to open sonar.properties file. In this file basically you have to add database username and database password, and which database you are using, that name you have to mention that. Sudo vi. Yeah, file has been opened. As you seeing, I have already entered here database username and database password. As you seeing, I selected line. So in your case it will be empty, so you have to add it here, your database username and database password. And here I have put database name SonarQube, as you seeing, right? So SonarQube is my database name as I have created earlier. You have to save this file. Now exit from the file. So let me start SonarQube using sonar user. Yeah, I have started. Let me show you the status. Yeah, it's running. The SonarQube is running as you saying. So let me show you the log once more time. Yeah, as you saying, the process is up. Yeah, and the last line is SonarQube is up. So the SonarQube is running now. Now we will check SonarQube on UI. So you have to install Nginx here. So you can install Nginx. Actually, this option is optional. You can either you can give it or not. It's not mandatory, but in my case I am giving it. So I have edited this file. So first you have to install Nginx, and after that you have to put that lines there. So let me show you this SonarQube is running or not on UI. So copy this URL and you have to put this URL here. In your case the IP might be different, but you have to put here your IP, and the port is 9000. For the SonarQube we have set the port 9000. Save this file and restart the Nginx. But in your case, in Nginx not installed, but you have to install that. Now all the commands have been, we have success. Now let me show you the SonarQube on UI. Copy this URL and define the port here, :900, enter. Yeah, as you seeing, it's loading. SonarQube is loading on EC2 machine with 9000 ports. So port is 9000 as you seeing. So it's, I think, successfully working. Let me navigate you one more 102 navigations. Yeah, it's working fine, I think so. So guys, if you have any doubt, let me confirm me in comments if you have any doubt. So guys, this is the complete tutorial, and this command I will also paste it in YouTube description section. You can follow this command from there. Thank you very much.